Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BUSD from your Phantom wallet to Exmo in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. Remember, crypto practices can evolve, so always double-check with the latest updates from official sources. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Phantom wallet with BUSD in it, download the app if you haven't already, and an Exmo account with a verified wallet address. This process is quick, but accuracy is key to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet app on your mobile device or browser extension. Once you're in, navigate to your assets and select BUSD from your wallet dashboard. You'll see your balance there. Double-check it to ensure you have enough to transfer. Step 2. Hit the Send or Transfer button next to your BUSD balance. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, log into your Exmo account on their website or app, go to your wallet section, and copy the BUSD deposit address. Paste that address carefully into the Phantom wallet send field to avoid any errors. Step 3. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to transfer. Be mindful of any network fees. Phantom wallet usually uses the Solana blockchain for BUSD, so factor that in. Review all the details, then hit Confirm to initiate the transaction. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Make sure to verify everything before proceeding. Once the transaction is sent, keep an eye on its status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Head back to Exmo and refresh your wallet to see if the BUSD has arrived. A quick word of caution: always use secure networks, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from Phantom wallet to Exmo in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.